Hi guys, this is Mandy from LTL Language School, and today I am going to walk you through our school in Chengdu. LTL Chengdu is located right beside the famous Chunxi Road and IFS shopping mall. This area is full of restaurants and cafes, so you'll have plenty of choices for your lunch breaks. Once you're on Zitongqiao Zhengjie Street, look for Family Mart store with a big gate right next to it. Enter the gate and keep straight forward to the end of the path. Make a right, and the escalator is right in front of you. And please find us on the 9th floor of this fancy building. This is our common area. Here, students can relax and study by the table, or they can have a cup of tea or coffee from there. This area is where we organize all our social events too, like mahjong games, board games, and buddy programs. This is our water and tea station just across from our office. This is where you can store your food in the fridge. And also we have microwave where you can heat up your food if you need. And the sink here, you can wash your dishes and cups after use. Now let's have a look of our classrooms now. LTL Chengdu has 7 classrooms, and they're used for one-on-one class and small group classes. And if you need anything, you can always pop by our front desk. Also, we have plenty of lockers to store your backpacks and books. This is our cafe space on the 6th floor, just 3 floors down from our office. This is where you can enjoy a delicious cup of coffee and hang out with your teachers and your classmates. And this is our gym area. It's free for all our LTL students to use. It has a variety of equipment for you to work out and unwind after class. We also have weekly games like table tennis games and pool games for all our students and teachers. So this is the best place for you to stay fit in Chengdu. Finally, there's a bookstore on the 5th floor. It's called Alai Shufang. This place has a lot of Chinese books for you to read or a lot of events for you to participate. You can come here just to simply relax with a good book. And this place has something for everyone. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed our little tour today. And we're looking forward to seeing you soon in Chengdu. 下次见!